It's a great day at Legacy Dodge Claresholm. We're out here behind the service lot today because it's way too noisy by the highway and the sun's in my eyes. Anyway, here we got a beautiful 2019 Wrangler Rubicon equipped with the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, 3.6 liter engine, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has been upgraded with front and back Dana axles, and all around it is just an amazing 4x4 machine with a 44-degree approach angle. You can climb up just about anything. Let's go take a look inside. Inside the Wrangler here, you'll see the gorgeous interior, part of the reason why it won Motor Trend's 2019 SUV of the Year. And around here you'll see newly standard features in all of the Dodge vehicles, such as steering wheel controls, in-dash display, 8.4-inch Uconnect that hits one right now with the SiriusXM satellite radio. If you take a quick look in the back, you'll notice this gigantic cardboard box. That's because that contains the soft top there, because this Jeep does come with the dual top group, saves you from having to purchase a soft top later on. It comes equipped with the Freedom Top panels right now, which allows you to leave most of the roof on and actually just take the parts that you care about off, which is real nice. It also comes with a sound bar for all of your audio, backup camera, heated seats. Here you got your 4x4 and your switch for locking your front and rear axles. It's got power windows. Not all Jeeps have that. And yeah, it's all around just amazing vehicle. Well, as we just got finished filming, I just thought that it would be a good idea to show you how easy it is to take the tops off of these. So, the Freedom Top is super easy, easier than it's ever been before. And it's literally just there. There's the last one. You just lift it up. And there, it's good to go off. Now just pay close attention so you don't scratch up your paint or anything. But yeah, it's just that easy. And then you have access to the outside world. So yeah, we're back outside of the Jeep. Just have to say it's just an excellent unit all around. Comes equipped with steel bumpers, steel rock sliders, 4x4 ready, most capable vehicle that you can ever take to the hills, just stock. And the stock code for this vehicle, T4426. You can call us at 1-877-625-4555. And you can reach us down at 5202 1st Street West, Claresholm, Alberta. Hope to see you soon. Have a nice day.